Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie James and I am glad that you clicked on this video. First, I want to say thank you so much for the love you're giving me on Instagram, here on YouTube. I am so very grateful. And for all those who have paid up and have registered for the 7 days challenge, I am super amazing and super excited to meet you on 9th as we take this challenge, as we heal ourselves, and as we also balance our hormones, clear our skin, make our brains to function the right way, enhance our immunity, and all these beautiful things that we will be doing together for the 7 days. So thank you so much for registering. I love you and I love you so deeply. So today I am here just to make a simple recipe for this summer season. We are going to make a wrap. I have my ingredients here and I have an apple. This is one recipe that you can have it as a breakfast, as a lunch, as a dinner, or even as a snack. So it is very simple to make, and this is what we are going to make today, and this is our ingredients today. So I have a red apple, I have my tomatoes, I have removed the inner seeds so that because I don't want to use them. I have carrots, I have cucumber, and I also have a lemon. And here I have dill, I have ginger, I have garlic, and I also have cumin. And then I have this one is for our sauce. I have peanut butter. I am going to use my teriyaki sauce. I have my white vinegar. So that these are our ingredients today. So let us make a wrap, and yes, let's continue. Now we are going to mix our sauce. We have our peanut butter. We have our ginger, cumin seed, garlic, and dill. We are going to put a bit of teriyaki sauce. We'll also put our vinegar. Maple syrup, a bit of it. Also add some water. And then we will mix this together. So, and just like that, we have our wrap. Very good, healthy. You know what you're having, and we have our sauce here. It is thick, it is nice, and you know now you have your protein. And you can just do like here. Mm, mm, mm. Your, your guests will love this one. Chukua ukiweka hivyo. Mhm. Mm, mm, mm. Try it. If you try this one, tag me on Instagram. Nitafurahi sana. So bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you on the next one.